Hi, this is Jennifer from Jennifer's Hamam. And today I am talking to you not from Istanbul, but from my hometown, Edmonton, Alberta, in Canada. I've been staying with my sister for the last few weeks, and of course, her linen closet is full of Jennifer's Hamam towels. This is one of them, and it's one of my favorites because it's one of the first chick designs, which it's our signature design, that we made 12 years ago. Now, this towel is in perfect condition. It doesn't have any holes. The tassels are all intact. Everything is fine about it, except there are loops everywhere. Now, these loops, why are there so many of them in so many places? Well, she has forgotten the instructions I gave her. When a little loop appears, you need to use a sharp pair of scissors to snip them off, because if you leave them, they make babies in the washer and dryer. If you snip them off, you'll never see them again. And remember, a towel made on a loom, and we're the only company making towels on looms, has a completely different structure than any other towel made on a factory machine, which is every other towel out there. So by snipping one of these little loops off, you're not going to make it run, you're not going to create a hole, but what you are going to do is make sure that the washer can't take those little loops and start to make babies in other places. So your towel should start looking nicer, longer. But if you do find a little loop or you get caught on something along the way, don't be afraid. Just take your sharp scissors and snip it off. So bring out your old Jennifer's Hamam towels, give them a haircut, and make them look brand new again.